What it do, man? It's the king of the Bucs. Well, making this late hate week video about these Pussy Panthers. We got the Monday night prime time. We know Cam is down. Man down. End of the day, my Bucs and the Panthers got the same record. We both 1-3. Somebody's gonna win, somebody's gonna lose. I truly believe the Pussy Panthers is gonna take this L Monday night. I truly believe that my Bucs will go into Panther Nation territory. And we will blow the snot out of their asses. They got a true hurricane down there. They about to get real hurricane come Monday. Hurricane Buck Nation. Y'all better motherfucking watch out in Carolina. We coming to knock shit down. We coming to take over. Hurricane Buck Nation. Hurricane season, baby. All I'm saying is, it's for my Bucs to go out there and play some hella defense against Calvin Benjamin, against Greg Olsen, against their running back committee. We should be stopping them on every aspect. For James Winston to pass the rock to Mike Evans, touchdown. To Cam Breaks, touchdown. To old Vincent Jackson, he needs to go, touchdown. We got a lot of work to do, man. We got a lot of work to do. And all I'm saying right now, man, is for us to focus. Focus on these Pussy Panthers. Focus. Let's not turn the ball over a lot. Let's slow down. Let's keep the penalties down, because that's what be killing us. Turnovers and penalties these last couple games. Let's play with some heart. Let's play like we want to win. James Winston, he got to take care of that rock. You got to take care of the rock. It's the only way we can win this game. Shut down and make motherfucking Derek Anderson, whatever his name is, to motherfucking get off his rally point, make his monkey ass run around, sack his ass, lay his ass down on the ground. That's what we need to do. So at the end of the day, Buck Nation, Monday nights all night. Hurricane Buck Nation, we coming through. You motherfuckers in Panther Nation, y'all better board up. Y'all better evacuate. You better evacuate y'all punk asses. Because y'all already know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is when a hurricane come through. We knock this shit down, tear shit apart. And we coming out there with a W. We coming out with a W. I truly believe if we can come out with a W, we can have something to work on. But we got to turn down on the motherfucking turnovers and the interceptions. It's about that time, Buck Nation. It's the king of the Bucs. The one and only. If you ain't down with my Bucs, If you ain't down with James Winston, Buck Nation, Hurricane, Buck Nation, if you ain't down with it, I only got 2 words for you. On a Sunday morning, I'm going to leave it out like this. Actually, 3 words. Just to be nice. To all the haters. God bless you. Peace.